Have a great day at school.
I will, Dad.
See you later. See you this afternoon. Tom had a good day.
Good job, everyone!
I like this lesson.
Time to go home!
Everyone was happy.
Where is Dad? He's late.
Tom felt worried.
Maybe I missed him.
Dad was not there. Tom, are you okay?
Dad hasn't come yet.
Let's get some help. We'll figure this out.
I'm calling your dad. Dad was very busy. Oh no! I forgot, Tom. I forgot, Tom. Dad hurried out. I'm sorry, Tom.
Finally, Dad arrived.
Tom,
I'm glad you're here. Everything was okay now. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I forgot the time. I would never leave you. Sometimes mistakes happen, but families always care for each other.